Okay. Okay, I'm actually stupid. I never pressed go live. I just had it in OBS. Oh my god. Okay, now we're actually live. Jesus Christ. Okay, so it's just exactly what I was saying yesterday. We dumped earlier than I thought we would. We dumped London session down to 1478, a little bit below actually 1462. I was hoping it would be this session so I could catch that short because I'm not awake London session. So the game plan is still as follows. We still have a overnight inventory of 100%. We have a nice strange small tail here. You know, it's almost bimodal, but it's too small to be bimodal. I forgot what you call that. I'm not a data science nerd. So we will call it a pregnant pea. That's what we'll call it. So right now what I'm doing is I'm essentially waiting for this isn't right. 8:39. Okay, that is right. Yeah, I'm essentially waiting for the beef period to close so then we have this initial balance, which is this pink bar here. And what the market does outside of that range will determine what happens for the rest of the day. Right now, I still have a short bias, as I said yesterday. But since my that was my we'll be right back in case I had to go use the bathroom or something. But since it already took out my price target of 1472, I feel we could possibly go to 1449 if we were to keep going lower. But right now, just intuitively, the market feels a little overextended in terms of fuck, I'm deleting stuff I shouldn't. In terms of like the velocity of us going down. So I feel like today might be a bounce day, and we'll clear some of this inefficiency. That's the hunch, but again, I won't take any longer until 10:30, and I'll use order flow to corroborate that. As always. So if you have any questions, anything, let me know. I am an open book. You know, in Alpha DAO, I hold on, wait, what the fuck? Why is it only showing? As always. Hold on. So if you have any questions, it's only showing my channel. I just noticed that. What the fuck is going on? Hold on. We'll fix this. I'll fix it. How the fuck do I fix it though? Let's see. Screen capture, settings, capture the whole screen. Window capture. No, not window capture. There we go. Now we got it fixed. It should be fixed. Perfecto. So now you see what I see. There we go. Now we got it fixed. Shit. Should be fixed. Okay. So now I have to go over everything I went over again. I was basically talking about, you know, the market already moved down to 1472, which I thought it would. I just got the timing wrong. So I still have a short bias, but if we were to go any shorter, it would be 1450. But just because of the overextension of the market, I could see a bounce up to the 1550s. You know, just retest these highs here, or even take out some of this inefficiency here, and come up to 1590 where we have a point of control. That still makes sense to me in my mind. That point of control is what, 1590. That's, I believe that's a confluence area for an initial balance. Oh, it's 1560 actually. So we'll see what happens. Right now, I if I could break my rules, I would have taken a long here, but of course I can't break my rules. I'm semi-discretionary, but I am still a man of rules. So excuse my dog barking, by the way. So right now, just waiting. I'll make my first move after 9:30 when the initial balance is closed. Ah, damn, my back. My back hurts like hell. It's kind of crazy, really. I need to add a description. Oh, it's a clip. Okay, I see what they mean. I'm just over here toying with like all the different stuff on my phone. And I can see you can make clips and shit. That's pretty cool. Oh, did I post on Twitter? I need to make sure I posted on Twitter that I'm live. Oops. Rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. Why is this thing I've instead of live? Autocorrect is stupid. Okay, it takes me to that. Wait, I have two streams going on? I know I don't. So if any of you all have any questions, just drop them in the chat. Yeah, I could definitely use a beer. Sweet, oh my god. I definitely could. I think I might grab a pint or two with my girl on Valentine's Day. Well, she doesn't drink beer actually. She's a what, tequila vodka person, so, and I'm definitely a vodka guy myself. Right now, market is looking pretty worse for where we have a lot of. So, remember, if you have any questions, if you don't understand what you're looking at, just ask in the live chat, and I will be willing to answer any questions. Until then, like, I'll just be rambling about random shit. Just making conversation. I do intend to however, I do intend to make content about order flow, open interest, and TPO charts and the likes. Just so people get up to speed with like how to read it basically. So what time is it? It's 9:17. Wait, I got these all in the wrong order. You're supposed to go here, buddy. No, you're supposed to go over here. You go here, you go there. Okay. Have a nice bimodal distribution. If we range tomorrow, I think we'll probably fill this in. This will be a nice range trade here. It's about a what? It's about what? 85.95. About $30 gap. That's pretty decent. That's about 2%. I wonder where Clark is at. He's probably at work. Yes, sir. You already know. I love the tequilas. Oh, no, I love vodka. I'm more of a vodka guy. What about you? You prefer tequila? You like darks, whites? Talk to me. Yes, I use volume profile and order flow. Ooh, which reminds me, I actually did not. Holy fuck. I do that every single fucking time. I always forget to put in the initial balance. Gin is alright. Yeah, gin isn't bad. 1466.26. Fuck, I always forget to do this. I should do this before the live stream starts. My first experience with gin was Bombay Sapphire. Very interesting flavor. I will say that. It goes great with orange juice though. It does. I can't lie. But like straight up, man, you are something else. You can't chat in the YouTube live for some reason. Okay, I'll fix that. Hold on. Did I accidentally do subscribers only? I made a oopsie. Made a fuck up. Let's see. Let's see. How do I do it? Stream settings. Closed captions, though. Oh no. Stream health. Huh. I'm not exactly sure. Top chat. Live chat. Okay, there we go. Got it. Okay, I just fixed it. Yeah. So you're good now. So right now, uh, yeah, we were talking about gins. My first and only gin I've ever had was Bombay Sapphire. I've bought it 3 times since. That was like 8 months ago. Haven't touched it since. I'm a Tito's guy. I love Tito's. That's my thing. I love vodka, you know. Thank you. I appreciate the subscription. Most appreciated, my friend. Right now I'm just getting these levels down onto my trading light 1495.96. Did I already do that? That sounds familiar. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, I did it in the wrong order. That's why. Where's my purple one at? It's down here. 1466.26. Grey Goose is great. And yeah, for sure we all gotta support the alpha. But yeah, I love Grey Goose. I like New Amsterdam as well. The coconut New Amsterdam is so good. That shit is fire. I can't lie. Okay, I gotta hurry up. It's 9:24. It's almost time to start trading. 1466.26. Uh, so what you were asking? What's that? What were you referring to when you said what's that? 1485.59. Ah shit. My DoorDash is here. We will be right back. Okay. I have returned. I am sick as a dog, so I had to get some cough medicine. So what I am doing right now is I am essentially taking these lines. Uh so these lines are called the initial balance. It is the first hour's range, right? Like you see this candle right here and this candle right here. This is a 15-minute chart. After 15 minutes, these two candles will be an hour. It takes the range of these and then multiplies it by 3 each side. But you also get like a 1.5. And they always, and I mean always, serve as very, very useful support and resistance indicators. Like you can see it right here. Like it speaks for itself. All right here. Came down to this one. Came over here. Came over here. Came over here. Came right there. It's pause. That did not sound right, but you know exactly what I mean. That didn't sound right, but it bounced. That's what I was trying to say. So I always plot these out because they are very useful. Okay, I need the orange one. Can I separate the orange one? Yes, I can. So the orange one is this one. It's more like gold, but I don't have gold. Did that answer your question? Okay, cool. I'll talk more about order flow as soon as I finish this, but I will talk about it. Trust me, that is my top priority because I am here to teach. Trading is secondary. 1594 point what 92, I think that said something like that. Well, trading and teaching are equal, not secondary. 1514.51. I like to teach and I like to make money. 1524.25 is this one. 1524.25. This, oops, okay. This one is 1534.02, 34.02, and 43.58. Wow, it's already on 32. And what did I say? 33. Wait, that's not right. That covers one. What is this white one here? Is that a volume point of control? Yeah, it is. Okay, it just threw me off. Now I'm super confused. I gotta go back. What charting tools do I use besides TradingView? So what I use is Excel charts and Trading Light. I focus primarily on Trading Light, and I'll tell you why, and I'll tell you like the methods I use and everything. I am an open book. So wait. This makes no sense. I'm so confused. Hold on. 1533.65 is where the orange should be. 1533.65. Now I'm missing my short. I'm taking way too long. It's 9:30. The market is opening. 1543.58. Yes, sir. Making best of two worlds. You already know. And finally, the last one. 1562.91. Okay. So now we have all of our lines set up for today, and I will answer all of your questions. So, right now, I use Trading Light, which is here on the right side. Let me clear all of this. And I use Excel charts. Excel charts here shows me all of the market orders. So the right side is buys, the left side is sells, and you read it diagonally. So there was $754,000 worth of buys, $284,000 worth of sells, you see. And these aren't time charts, these are volume charts. So every $10 million a new candle is printed. That's how I do it. I have the shading in such a way that the darker the shade, the higher the standard deviation it is. So at its darkest, it'll be like a very deep, like navy blue, which is one standard deviation. So it's higher than 70% of like the recorded data that I've gathered. So right now the market is unfortunately doing the opposite of what I wanted it to do because I can't take a long until 10. So we're just gonna wait because this looks very healthy here. I don't want to break my rules, but okay, so let's see. You said you found alcohol in past few years to be taking the toll, a bigger toll in comparison to the occasional drug use. Oh yeah, same for me. Yeah, same. Like, I used to drink way too much. Like, I used to be a partier. Like a very, very, very big partier. So I've cut down my drinking quite a lot. Now I drink like a pint every 2 weeks, and that's it. I don't drink anymore. I'm very sober. Uh, let's see. What else did you say? What about rum? Rum is okay, I guess. It's okay. I'm not a rum drinker. I prefer, if I had to choose a dark, it would be like maybe whiskey. I like whiskey. No, it's just drugs and no alcohol. That's funny. No, I never that. Yeah, it's healthy. It's good for your liver, man. So, why until 10? I don't know why. It's an algorithm thing almost. I've noticed through my 14 hours of doing this every single day, if there's an overnight inventory of 100%, meaning after the New York Stock Exchange closes at that price level, if the next sessions, I'll show you. It's better to show than to explain. So this is a perfect example of, actually, let me go back in time. This is the perfect example of a overnight inventory of 100%. I gotta combine these. So you have your London, you have your Asia, then your pre-close, right? Let me merge them together. So you have these, and then you have your overnight session. So the market closed here at this price at 1583 and 1585 essentially, and it didn't trade a tick above for the entire overnight session. We just simply traded down. What that means is most of the traders are short. There's nuance to this. Of course, they aren't all short, but I just think of it in that way, and it works for me, and I make money off of it. So there's nuance to it, but I just think of it like that. So what happens is the next session, if it doesn't move down within the first 4 periods, here are the periods right here. You see A period, B period, C period, and D period. If it doesn't move down within the first 4 periods, it'll likely go up. But this time it attempted to go up and it actually failed and it continued downwards, which is what you would expect for an overnight session of a short overnight session. Overnight sessions indicate continuation essentially. So after the first 4 periods, if there is no continuation, then there is a counter move because the algorithm is essentially unloading its position. That's how I think about it. I don't know if that's really what's happening, but that's essentially the conclusion I've come to over time. Like here's another one right here. Here's another overnight inventory, right? We see NYSE closed. This was only I talked about this in Alpha Dow actually. I pointed most of these overnight inventories out and I traded these. Y'all saw me trade these. Here's another one right here. It traded only a tick below twice. And then it just chopped for the rest of the day. The next day it came down a little bit in a period, but then it broke its highs of it broke its overnight high. And now we have another overnight inventory session. So I am looking to either shorts before 10 to 10:30 so we can continue this, and I will short down to what did I say? Oh wait, this is the wrong chart. I have to press tab. Short down to 1450. We could do 1418. That feels a little overextended though. Let's do 1450 to be safe because that's value area 1 low, which is a very important. That's a very important area. So we'll short down to 1450 if we do in fact get the chance to. So right now what I am noticing is what is called a failed auction, which is, so we see this pink line here, this pink bar, not this pink area, this pink bar. This is called the initial balance. I went over this. What happens is when the market breaks up above the initial balance but then goes back down into it, that is a failed auction. So if that happens and the next period opens within the initial balance, there is a greater than 50% chance, I think it's 60 to 70%, that it'll go down to at the very least the other side of the initial balance, and that right there will be our clue for a possible continuation. So I'm hoping for that because the 10:30 is only what 50 minutes away at this point, but I can't take a long simply because of my rules. Even though we have all of this inefficiency here to fill up with the bimodal distribution. So if that doesn't happen by 10:30, if there's some type of pullback, I'll take a long, sure. Have I answered your questions correctly? Any questions so far? I see you here, Nymac. I'm about to check the Discord right now. I'll see if you're talking trash about me. All jokes, all jokes, all jokes. Okay, no questions as of yet. Okay. Damn, my back hurts like a motherfucker. I can't lie. Wait, can I cuss on YouTube? Will they demonetize me? Maybe I should watch my mouth. My back hurts like a mother trucker. Excuse me. Try Bumbu or Diplomatico rum. Okay. I'll try that. Next time I go to a liquor store, I'll try that. I'll try that with my girl actually. We had a nice whiskey. It was called damn, I already threw away the bottle. It was called Sweet Something. It had nice woody undertones, very oaky, sweet. It was beautiful. It's all good. It just seems complex. What would you recommend starting with? Okay, here's what you do. Go to my channel in Alpha Dow. You know, it's a thread under market. Damn, actually, holy shit, I might have COVID. My girl probably gave me COVID because she, cause she was sick as hell. And then she came over to my crib and we was chilling. Then we went out to the movies. And ever since then, I've been fucking sick. Yo, I might, yo, so now I might have COVID. Holy shit. I gotta get a COVID test. You're right. I should. I'm glad you said that. I will. Um, but go to here. I'll tag you. I'll tag you in it right now. I'll go to the Discord and I'll tag you. Let's see. Market. Threads. Oreo dips attempt at making fuck you money plus memes. That's the name of the thread. Okay, you're tagged in it. All of those playlists and all of those videos have been collected over 3 years. So you'll see a lot of garbage, but the last, I would say 50 to 75 or so are solid gold. Of course, it's not like Holy Grail. You have to take your own spin on things because they're not going to give you the edge. Like, you're not going to find any alpha on like on YouTube, but it's good for learning like core concepts, you know. Do I take short/longs through API of charting tool? No, I do it on my phone. So I'm multitasking right now. Like I'm looking at chat on my phone. I use Bybit to trade on my phone. I was ordering DoorDash on my phone. Holy shit, I had a dream about this moment. Deja Revere. Whoa. Okay, anyway. I'm doing a lot of shit on my phone. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Just you could scroll through that entire fucking thread. You'll see my progress. Cause I started trading like this back in October. And I was like, okay, I've noticed this, and this about the market. I understand like after such and such happens, the market more than likely will do this. And I like I've just been learning like a motherfucker. Like I do, like I said, I do this 12, 14 hours a day. So now we're just waiting for the market to close within the initial balance. We do have some decent news. This is above average candle length on a below average delta. Point of control is here at the top of the candle. We have all of this absorption here. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to explain to you exactly what you're looking. Oh no, wait, I already did. I already told you like how to read it. So right now I'm just looking at the order book at 1488. I want to see if it holds. We see right here there's 15,000 contracts absorbed. I'm looking at the times and sales in the order book right now. Okay, we keep trying to break through it. We keep going to 1488.2. We stop. We come back down. 16,000 contracts now. $1.1 million worth here at the candle. I want us to come down to at least what price? Give me 1484 and I'll be happy. That'll be a failed auction. And I'll be looking for shorts then. I wouldn't take a long anyway if I looking at this price action. This looks garbage. But I'm still just watching the order book here on the right. I like this absorption. some big bids here, and it's away. Well, the candle hasn't closed yet. Let's give it some time. Okay. And I trade only intraday, or do I hold positions after market closes? Well, this is crypto, so market never closes. I do swing trades though, yes. I do them occasionally, but okay, thank God. It's going to 1484 now. I could look for a short. This is actually perfect short material right here. Um just give me what? Okay, anyway, I'm sorry, my ADHD. Um so on average most of my trades last about 3 hours. 3 to 4 hours. But I do have an oddball here and there where it trades overnight. So now within the initial balance, I'll put a stop above 1490. I don't know. The market structure itself just looks funky. Like I would be scared to short something that looks like this. Like this is like looks like a higher low, but it's a rejection though. Still, it came into value. It rejected. It tested the bimodal most importantly, which is what rejected it, which tells me it probably isn't ready to try it out yet. Damn, I can never have nothing nice. Now the point of control is here at the bottom. Let me check the chat right quick. I don't know if I can check the chat and trade at the same time. Okay, it's nobody said anything in the chat. Putting my order size. My stop will be trading Bybit. So the top was 1488. I'll do 1488.25. 1488.25. I could double my size since my stop is so tight. I don't want it to be that tight. That's actually kind of fucked up. We'll do 1491-ish. 1492. I'm gonna get stopped out if it's $5. If it's a $5 stop loss, it normally gets stopped out. Okay. I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I didn't press enter. I was busy fiddling with my my stop loss. I do have the balls to take a short here if I see enough absorption though. I will do it. But 300,000 isn't enough for me. It's not enough for me. This looks like fuck. I need D period to close within the initial balance for me to take a short. I forgot about that. So I definitely can't take a short now. I need D period to open within. Excuse me. D period starts within 8 minutes. This is what you like to see here. I'll wait for the candle to close in case I spoke too early. But Once the candle closes, I'll tell you what I see. Let me get ready. So 1449, eh? Let's say 1449. Yeah, 1449 is the area of interest here. How long is this stop? $4. Let's make it a solid 5. So this structure here looks super unhealthy. It's taking a long time for this candle to close. That tells you the confidence of the market. No tempo equals confidence. That's another thing I learned. That's why I have time here at the bottom. Like the times of the candles being filled is a huge clue. Until $10 million are reached. Yes. Not 210, like 10. Like right here at the top, you see V10M. I do use the 2 million and the 5 million occasionally, but the 10 million is my bread and butter. We'll check out the 5 million now and see what it says, if it has any corroborating information. The tick size. Yeah. $9.56. Yeah, it's not going to close within the initial balance. Trading is a waiting game. It gets boring, man. It gets so boring. Excuse me. I'm sorry for that. All right. It is officially 10 o'clock. Well, we have 3 minutes. But now, after 10, I will be looking for longs. Well, a short can still happen at 10:30, so I'll just be opportunistic. Because I have seen dumps happen at like 10:15 or 10:20. So whatever I see, I'll trade. I'm not looking solely for shorts at this point. No. All right, now I'm watching the order book again. We're breaking through these levels. All right. Note the volume between these candles here on the buy side. Note the shading. It's nearly a standard deviation. Okay. 9:58. What? A minute and 50 seconds until I can go long or do whatever I want. Talk about absorption. Note this 1489. Look how little this block is here. But every time it gets filled, he every time it gets bought, he reloads. He has a lot more than people think he does. I forgot the term for that. It's like it's reverse spoofing. It's not That's not what it's called, but I just think of it like that. So right now I'm just watching the order book. This looks like a prime short here. Actually, I think I'll take this short once this candle closes. If the candle closes bearish, has some stacked imbalances, the point of control is nowhere near the bottom. I'm taking this short right here, right now. I need $5. Oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong thing. So $10 stop, yeah. Plus I have a mental stop. And of course it reverses. That's unfortunate. I wanted to take that short. We have $5 million more left. Man, this is a lot of red shading here. All this is about half a standard deviation. So when I say deviations, I took a month's worth of data and I have plotted out how much, uh, exactly how much is the average, a standard deviation, two standard deviations, and three standard deviations. I've done this for every single chart: the 15, the 5, the $10 million, the $5 million, and the $2 million. So this gives me a lot of context. Like right now, I know a standard deviation is $2.7 million. And most of this is concentrated here at the top, which indicates absorption. And I'll also see that in the order book. Remember, I was talking about 1488, and and I was saying he has a lot more supply to to get out than he wants the market to think. That's part of that. He the he's absorbing all of this demand. Do I want to take this short? 985,000 right there. I want to see absorption at that point. If I do, I'll take it. What's my stop? I can't see. What's my stop? Tell me my stop. 1498.2. 1498.2. Okay. Perfect size, actually. I'm just waiting now. I want to see some more confirmation. All right, I'll go ahead and take it. My bid is out at 486.7 on Bybit. I'll go ahead and chase it a bit. My R will still be favorable. 486 points. What, 6.5? Let's do 6.5. Oh, now it's at 0.5. 0.51. 0.55. 486.55 is my bid. Is my ask. And it's still going down. Fuck, I don't want to chase it. I really don't. Well, my R won't be that fucked up. 486 points 05. Let's see. Okay, I should get filled here. Okay, I gotta up my margin a bit because I will get liquidated within a few dollars. So I'm short here. Taking screenshots for notes. Yeesh, that is ugly. That's actually quite ugly. But it still counts as an overnight inventory trade, so I will mark it as such. Draw, please. Thank you. Cross to 1449. I don't know. I just don't like this market structure, man. It feels like it's due for a bounce. I just don't like that at all. I really don't, but we'll see. What's over here? Oh, nothing. Okay. like that here. U, F, and G period are all at the same price level. So that means this right here. No, U, X, C, F, and G are all at the same price level. So that means A and B were a deviation. Where exactly? Why is this over here? This should be over here. Somebody said, "What's up, chat?" Who said that? I will acknowledge you. Oh, what's up, Chad? What's up, bro? How you doing? I'm in the short right now. It should go all right. There's a lot of absorption here at what 1489, 1488s. So if we go above that, I'll probably cut it there. That's my mental stop. Unless I see something something otherwise. I'm shorting down to 1450. How are you doing today, my man? You feeling good? Now, hypothetically, what if we bounce at 1466? That's the question. How many R's is that? That's 2.21. Yeah, I could live with 2.21. But of course, 4R is nice. So I like me some 4R. Oh, I forgot to put in my limit order. What is it? 14. Let's do 1450.25 because Bybit tries to fuck me sometimes. So we'll do 1450.25, reduce only, buy long. So we're looking decent so far, not too bad. Probably going to come up and retest the 1489 area. If we do, I'm watching the order book here, the green side specifically, because that represents market buys. I'm watching that, not just to see how many. Excuse me so much. I'm so sorry. Not just to see like the amounts of contracts like at these levels, but the rapidity of them, like how fast these contracts are being filled, and the reaction to it. Like I think in terms of tempo, like tempo implies confidence. If the market is confident and there's a lot of bids going very fast, but the walls aren't budging, then tough luck to them. Now I'm watching the ask side. Now I'm watching the bid side. So now we're inverse. The bid side watching the red since we're going down, and I'm short. I see there's $1.3 million worth of absorption here. I'm looking to see if we can break through it. I'm trying to eye spoofs. I think this one here at 1482.6 is a spoof. It keeps jumping around. We have 13,000 contracts. We got 10,000. Time in sales is abysmal. Okay, 1547. 1547 bids, 17,000 contracts. Come on. 3,000. 3,000 at 83.33. And we went from 73 to 33. It went down 30 cents. Okay, that's good. Here we go. Still watching the order book here. That's what I'm focused on. I'm also focused here on this trades here. I'm noting how most of the larger ones are in the red. So that tells me that the sellers are dominant at this point in time. An area I'm concerned about is this area right here, 1477 and then 1466. Once we break those areas, we are in smooth sailing. But excuse me. Excuse my cough. We are in smooth sailing, but until then, we have troubling waters ahead, so to speak. So, hold on, wait. I gotta see where did this open? Where did D period open? D period opened. Okay, it opened at the top. No, save template. No, don't save template. Fuck. What am I doing? Press none. Then you save template. Okay, so I'm looking for D period to close here within this initial balance area. We have what, 15 minutes. Okay, 22,000 contracts. So this 10,000 contract wall here, 13,000 contract wall definitely isn't a spoof order. I'm just hoping he doesn't run out of ammo or some whale doesn't take him out, because if so, then this long might be scrapped. I might get out at break even. Okay, 1484. He just reloaded. Somebody wants this down, that's for sure. Why, I'm not sure. It could be to get it at a lower price, or maybe they're defending a position. Okay, let's see what happens if they could push it back down. 1484.26, 0.29, 21. There we go. He pushes it back down with 4,800 contracts. He wants this down. Does anybody have any questions? I've just been narrating this whole time, narrating the short. If you have any questions as to what I've said, please ask. Oh Lord, this is like watching paint dry. Excuse me. Okay, finally some action, huh? All right. Now I'm watching this 1482 area here. I mean, not this 1482 area. This 81.4 area. We had some issues there earlier. We had a lot of absorption. Let me get the big picture. Let me zoom out. Let's see what's going on here. Oh yeah, I understand. What do you mean by crosses? Oh yeah, it made crosses. Yeah, for sure. But if you had one question right now that you wanted me to answer, that like I've been saying repeatedly, that I should simplify, what would it be? Just so I know next time for those who might be not accustomed to my trading style, it'll be easier. Okay, this isn't looking good right here. 1484 save me. Do you have the ammo? Because this is starting to look ugly. 29,000 contracts. Come on, I know you got something. You got ammo. $29,000 contracts. Fuck. Alright, 1484.3. Okay. Here's the plan. Will he back us up at 1486? I can't take the chance of that being a spoof. Because this looks like a... I'm not a TA guy, but this looks like a triangle. This is going to break higher, isn't it? Yeah, we failed to break the trend line. Well, I'll let it bounce up to the top one. I'm not a TA guy by any means, but that's what we'll do. So I saw you say mineral water. What does mineral water actually taste like? I've never tasted that before. Is it like just regular water? Cause Mineral water has like a special property where if you wet your computer with it, it doesn't like short circuit, right? Is that true? I heard that before. So therefore, it must taste differently. So how's y'all day going? Any good day so far? You still hear Namek or Namek? What you up to nowadays? Y'all funny. So I put I'm live in their Discord and they put the mute button like crickets. Y'all think y'all funny. Okay. I'm about to that's why I'm about to roast the I can't cuss. This is YouTube. That's why I'm about to roast you. Not you, Namek. I know you didn't say anything. I can't think of it. Bruh. Bro, shut up, Namek. Damn. Oh my god, why you why is you snitching? Let me cook. Yeah, for real. Dang, you tripping. I can't think of nothing. I got nothing to cook with. Where's that One Piece that One Piece meme where he's like he ain't cooking shit? That's me right now. I can't think of nothing. I don't know Dylan enough to insult him. Alright. It's about time for me to bail on this short here. Yes, 10:30. It's about time. After 10:30 is longs, remember? That happens like clockwork every single time. 15:24 is the target, if I recall correctly. Wait, we opened. Oh fuck, we didn't. If D period opens in the initial balance, then I'll stay short. because we're almost guaranteed to go to the other side of it. So then we are going up to here, value area low, which is 1550. All right. Two minutes. I'll probably get out at like break even. We're up a couple cents or something. Like 1%. So wait, who was it? That was I was talking about 1484, right? Yeah, 29,000. Yeah, he was out of ammo. He couldn't hold us down. Quite unfortunate. Who just added me on Discord? Mentions for me. Oh, that's not how it works. If this candle closes red on this positive volume, I'll stay in. It's 7.7. It's 7.7 to 10:30. Fuck, I'm probably gonna get steamrolled. I haven't lost a half an hour in a minute. No, I lost half. I lost an hour the other day because I was oversized. I did some dumb shit accidentally. That ramen looks good now, Mac. I can't lie. Some food would be nice. I'm actually starving right now. I could go for a meal. So what I see in these two candles here is first there's resistance here. We saw absorption with these two stacked imbalances at the top, and this blue shading here that indicates most of the volume was there. Then the volume essentially disappeared, so buyers lost their gumption, and the point of control was lower. If the candle closes above the point of control, that indicates support, so we're likely to go higher. But now we're closing lower, so we'll see what happens. I mean, not the buyers have lost their gumption, but the limit orders. That's what I mean. Because it was able to go higher with less resistance. Like it took us $1.3 million to go a tick higher, but it only took us $387,000 to go what 4 ticks higher. And so the resistance is starting to thin on the order book side here. And that's bearish. I mean that's bullish, which is bearish for me because I'm short. Quite unfortunate. Quite unfortunate. I wanted this to be a short. It's still closed on positive delta though. So my rules of engagement tell me that technically I should still be in. Christ, I am hungry. No, I'm just watching the order book again. I watch the order book more than time and sales. Yeah, we're starting to build support here at this area. I'm not liking it. I should take my little 5% and get out. Okay. 11,000. 1034. I should have cleared this data. Actually, I'm not gonna clear it. I need it so I know what, like, the trading light needs a volume profile for the order book like Exo Charts does. That would be perfect. Wait, I can do that over here. I can do that over here. Volume profile. Hold on. I'm cooking. Let me cook. Let me cook. Tick size 2. Perfect. That is perfect. Actually, it should be delta. No, it should be bid ask profile. No, it's not numbered though. Can I number it? No, I can't. Fuck. I'll do delta then. Delta's okay, I guess. Yeah. Is it a holiday today or something? Like, what's going on, guys? It's a very slow day. 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 9 minutes, 4 minutes. Shading of the candles has decreased as well. Yeah, the direction is reversing. We're going to break higher. I'm gonna exit here for a slight loss of 2%. Okay, my bid is out. It has been filled. And I'm out of my long. I'm out of my short. Take notes. Oh, I wish I saw that. That's an inside bar. Damn, that's a big clue. I kind of fucked that one up. You fucked that one up, Junior. I can't lie. Okay, on to the next trade. Color candle. Oh, no, I actually didn't fuck shit up. That was a very wise decision on my part. Take screenshot. Screenshot of this as well. Okay, so now we look for longs. I'm looking to long this. Let's get rid of this TA garbage. Down 2%, which is like what? Okay, so that's like 0.01 R or something. Since I'm using 100x leverage. Now, if this thing reverses, I'm gonna be so mad because I got out for no reason. But the market structure doesn't look like it's like an Adam and Eve. Like that's what the TAers call it. No way. And of course I forgot to close it before the I forgot to close it after the candle closes. That's always a big no-no. I do that every single fucking time. Okay. Fuck. Man, that makes me sick. I forgot to close it after the candle closes. I do that way too often. Let me make sure I did that.